You know, another key factor in using single-use diamonds and single-use carbides is we know that they wear with time, but more importantly, think about the cost involved. If your dental assistant is taking those instruments, taking them into the sterilization area, scrubbing them, she's now risking, or he's risking the chance of cutting themselves, number one, but they're scrubbing those clean, bagging them, putting them in a sterilizer, taking them out of that sterilizer, restocking your room. Why not save all that time? Think about the time that your assistant could be doing other more important things like planning for your next patient, setting up for your next patient, being on time. Those are so much more important than taking an inexpensive burr and trying to make it last more than it should. The other thing is, what about you as the doctor? Think about it. When you're using a diamond 3-4 times, you may have spent $16 on. Every time you try and work with that diamond, it is harder on your hand to get through. You have to press harder, and you all know fresh diamonds work beautifully. They're so much smoother. It's like we always say, cutting like butter. So no need to use those expensive diamonds now. Just use a single-use diamond and finish everything with a nice, smooth touch.